What's up, guys? This is Brent with 247parts.com, the best place online to buy your John Deere parts. So let's jump right on into talking about which belt you're going to need whenever changing out the deck belt on your John Deere Z330R. Now, on this mower, you can have either a 48-inch or 54-inch deck, and the belt is going to be the same. So the belt number that you need is a GX26422. Now, the next thing that we need to do is make sure that our deck is set down at the lowest position possible, and then we want to go ahead and remove our floor just like so. That way we can see and get underneath the deck here, or underneath the machine, to get to the top of the deck. Now, next thing that I would do is I would take a picture of how your deck belt is routed. That way you remember how it needs to go back on. But if you don't happen to get that step done, here is going to be the image of that deck belt and how it is routed. So you can pause this video, save this image. That way you've got it and know how to put it back on. Now, once we have that figured out, there are only two things we need to do to remove this belt. So I'm going to show you those two things now. First thing is we need to get this spring off of this hook. Now, the way that I usually do this is I take a wrench, get in here, pull that spring back. This is going to be your main tension spring. And then let it off really slowly. Set that down. Now that is going to relieve the tension from your actual tension arm here. Then the next thing we need to do is have a 15mm wrench and a 15mm socket and ratchet here to take loose the belt guide that is holding this belt onto this rear tension idler right here. Now, once you have that belt guide loose, everything is just as it would seem. We're simply just going to take that broken belt off, get it out of the way, or that worn belt. Now, if you have a broken belt, you will not have to remove that guide to take the belt off, but to put the new one on, you do have to have that guide off of there. Get the belt back onto the system, and then once you have it back on, the last thing that we need to do is get our spring back into position. So how I'm going to do that is I'm going to take my wrench like I did before, and I'm going to pull that spring all the way out here. To its hook, set it back, and then you're good to go. So last but not least, don't forget that belt number, that GX26422. Make sure that you go ahead and put your foot platform back on your mower, and then you are ready to get mowing again. So guys, I hope this video helped you out. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, we just ask you to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Also guys, if you're needing any John Deere parts at all, make sure to check us out at 247parts.com. And as always guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hey guys, make sure to go buy your parts right here and subscribe right here.